In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in InstaForex. Now, the first thing you have to do here in your client dashboard, you want to click on Money Deposit up top, and this is going to open up a separate tab here, which is called Money Deposit, and this is where you basically have to find your payment system or the way you would like to deposit with. So, in case you are trying to actually deposit some money on here, likely you will not be selecting these cryptocurrencies over here. However, you'll be selecting either a SEPA bank transfer, deposit via a bank card. You also have options over here to basically purchase USDT via money, etc. But of course, you can just select the one you want. So for this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and select this bank card, but of course, you can do whatever you want. The process is going to be very similar. Just follow the steps on your screen and you'll be able to deposit very easily. So if I do the bank card over here, it's going to take me to a separate page where again, you have to basically confirm you want the deposit via your bank card. And then when you click that here, you're going to have to select your currency. I'm going to do USD. And then your payment system, which could be Visa or MasterCard. I'm just going to do a Visa over here, and then I'm going to click on Proceed. And what's going to happen here is it's going to take me to a separate page over here where whenever you have your account verified, you'll be able to go ahead, put in your details, and get your deposit done. However, as you can see over here, I haven't verified my card yet, so I can't actually do that. So of course, before you actually go ahead and try to deposit anything, make sure you go through the verification process, which you can find here where it says verification and then verify card, and you'll be able to verify your card and your account as well. And after this, you'll be able to continue over here, put in your details, and then deposit money onto your account. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.